Today you'll take your vocabulary test for chapters 1 to 5 for the book That Was Then, This Is Now. Make sure you put your name, the date, and your class period at the top of the page. Here's your word bank. I'm going to go in rows across. Soul, slight, minor, hub, profound, lame, sassy, reminiscing, slacked, contorted, lanky, abruptly, tactfully, assault, flounced, vague, aforementioned, sarcastically, inclined, probation, taunting, obligingly, sauntered, and smirking. Here's your definitions. Attack, the next word means likely or tending to. The next word is supervised freedom for lawbreakers. There's usually a period of this after you get out of jail. The next word means dealing with people in a skillful way. The next is another word for rude. Next is someone who moved in a bouncy or lively manner. The next word means sneering. The next word means strolled, or just walked along slowly. The next word means said before. Usually when you're repeating yourself, you use this word, which means I said it before, I'm repeating myself. The next word means indistinct. The next word means center. The next word means twisted out of shape, usually in reference to your body in some way, even your face, making a face. The next word means in a mocking manner. If you said something in a mocking manner, you said it this way. The next word means suddenly. Now the back side. The next word means insulting. The next word means intellectual. The next word is a descriptive word. We call someone if they are tall and skinny. The next word means having an injured foot or leg. We usually talk about it in reference to animals. The next word is someone who's below legal age. The next word means willingly. The next word means slowed. The next word means light in form or build. We're talking about a person here, usually. Something alive, though. The next word means remembering past events. Old people do this a lot. And the next word means single or only.